Now the topic is pH measurement. First we have to know what is a pH measurement. pH value of a solution is defined as the negative logarithmic of hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithmic of hydrogen ion solution concentration. Hydrogen ion concentration. pH measurement is shown in figure. The pH measurement arrangement consisting of two electrodes. One is called reference electrode. This electrode is a reference electrode, and another one is a measuring electrode. This is a measuring electrode. Okay. The reference electrode is made up of a glass and its inner assembly containing a solution of calomel, mercury chloride and mercury. This is a reference electrode. It consisting of a calomel and mercury. Okay, that it is surrounded by a potassium chloride, that is a KCl. Okay, this assembly is surrounded by a large glass tube, and that space contain a accurate solution of potassium chloride. Okay, this space, this is also act as a one container that it consisting of a potassium chloride KCl. In the reference electrode, a small opening called a diffusion opening. It permits a KCl to diffuse very slowly into the solution under test. This portion, liquid diffusion opening. Okay, diffusion, it permits a KCl. This is a KCl to diffuse very slowly into the solution under test. This is the solution whose pH value has to be measured. Okay, in the beaker. The measuring electrode is similar to a reference electrode. This one is a reference electrode. This one is a measuring electrode. This measuring electrode is similar to reference electrode with a small change. That is, inner container we are having this content is calomel and mercury, that it is both are same, and then the inner container, this one having a KCl potassium chloride. Instead of that, here the buffer solution with a known pH value is filled here. Okay, this one is a buffer solution with known pH value. This one is a KCl or a potassium chloride. Okay, these two are same, but here diffusion opening is there. Here there is no any opening. Small tip will be there. There is no any opening in measuring electrode, but there is a opening in the reference electrode. The inner container of measuring electrode or KCl is replaced by a buffer solution of constant pH. Okay, there is no opening in the measuring electrode. Instead, it is a tapper at the bottom made up of a glass tip. Special composition. Okay, with a special composition. These two electrodes are immersed in a solution whose pH to be measured. The reference electrode and the measuring electrode is to be immersed in a solution whose pH to be measured. These two electrodes are immersed in a solution whose pH to be measured. The difference potential between the two electrodes is a function of pH value of the solution under test. Since the pH value of the buffer solution is constant, the net potential of the electrode is a function of the pH value of the solution being tested. The potential across the two electrodes are measured by a voltmeter calibrated in units of pH value. This is a reference electrode. This is a measuring electrode. This one having a KCl solution with opening. This one having a buffer solution with a constant pH value. This solution in the beaker is whose pH to be measured. Therefore, there exists a potential difference between these two electrodes. That potential difference, voltage, is directly proportional to the pH value of the liquid to be measured. That's all.